solving systems of linear equations by using elimination method. First question number 24. Here is two equation. First one 4x plus 5y equals to 7, and second equation is 8x plus 5y equals to 9, right? So here we have to find out the value of x and y. So this kinds of scenario, first we have to eliminate one term. So which we can eliminate? Here coefficient of y is plus 5, similar coefficient of y is plus 5. So if we subtract, so we can write subtract 1 from equation 2. So here is 8x plus 5y equal 9, then 4x plus 5y equal 7. Now once we subtract, second equation sign will be changed. So here is minus, here is minus, and here is minus. So plus 5y minus 5y out. 8x minus 4x is a 4x equals to 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So x equals to 2 by 4. That means x become what? 0.5. This is x. So this one also we can write 1 by 2, right? So anything 1 by 2 or 0.5. Now this value we will put or substitute in equation 1. So we can write substitute x equals to 0.5 into equation 1, right? So equation 1 is 4x plus 5y equal 7. So 4 times 0.5 plus 5y equals to 7. So 4 times 0.5 is a 2 plus 5y equals to 7. So 5y become 5 because 7 minus 2 is a 5. So we can write y equals to 1. Why? Because we are dividing both sides by 5. So our answer is so x y equals to y is 0.5, sorry, x is 0.5 and y is 1. This is our answer. Question 25. 8a plus b equal 1. We can consider this one is equation 1. Then 8a minus 3b equal 3. We can consider equation 2. So we can equation 2 minus equation 1. So what we will get? 8a minus 3b equals to 3. This one is 8a plus b equal 1. So once we subtract, sign will be changed, right? So 8a minus 8a out, minus and minus. So here is minus 4b equal 3 minus 1 is a 2. So we can divide both sides by minus 4. So b equals to minus 2 by 4. So minus 1 by 2, or we can write minus 0.5. Okay. So it's a simple thing. Now we get b. Now we will try to find out the value of value of a. So equation 1 we substitute b equals to minus 0.5 or minus 1.2, anything. So equation 1 is 8a plus b equals to 1. So 8a, so here is minus what? 1 by 2 equals to 1. So now we can write 8a equal 1 plus 1 by 2. So 8a, it will become 2 plus 1 by 2, it means 3 by 2. Then a equals to 3 by 2 times 1 by 8, that means 3 divide 16. So a is 3 by 16 and b minus 1 by 2. So our answer we can write in here that a b equal a, we get 3 by 16 and b we get minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is our answer. 26, 1.44x minus 3.24y equal minus 5.58. This is equation 1. And 1.08x plus 3.24y equal what? 9.99. We can consider this one is equation 2. So we have to eliminate one terms initially. So look, here is minus 3.24y and plus 3.24y. So we can, if we add this one, so this one and this one out. So here is x, 4 plus 8 is a 12, 2, 4 plus 1 is a 5 and 2, right? 2.52. Very simple. Then equal, here is what? Here is, we can subtract 4.41. So once we divide both sides by 2.52, we will get x equals to 4.41 divide 2.52. So divide 2.52. So we will get 1.75. 1.75. This is x, right? So this x 1.75 we will put any equation. So we can put this one like equation 2. We substitute x equals to 1.75. So 1.08x plus 3.24y equals to 9.99. Then here 1.08 times 1.75 plus 3.24y equals to 9.99. Now what will happen? So we can write this 1.75 times 1.08 will become what? 1.89. 1.89 plus 3.24y equals to 9.99. Now we will transfer to right side. So 3.24y equals to this one, subtract minus 9.99. So here is 8.1. 8.1. Now we can divide both sides by 3.24. So y equals to 8.1 by 3.24. So what is the result? Divide 3.24. So 2.5, right? So 2.5 is our required answer. So x, y x 1.75 and y 2.5. Question 34. Business in 1999, the United States produced about 2 million more motors vehicle than Japan. Look here, a note, 2 million more than Japan. Together, the two countries prepared about 22 million motor vehicles. How many vehicles were produced in each country? So here we have to consider something. Let J equal the number of vehicles it should be by million produced by Japan. Okay, so similar thing, we can consider the number of vehicle, here should be in millions produced by USA. So look here, the United States produce about 2 million more motor vehicles than Japan. So we can consider, so U equals to J minus 2, right? No, it's not right, it's plus, because Japan produce motor vehicle plus 2 millions, it will be what? United Nation, or we can say United Nation motor vehicles minus 2 millions equals to Japan vehicles. Okay, so anything we can write U minus J equals to 2 million. We can consider this one is equation 1. Now together two countries produce about 22 million motor vehicles. Again, U plus J, it means United Nation plus Japan together produce 22 million, we can which is equation 2. So once we add, so minus J plus J, it means Japan out, US 2U equals to, here is 24, right? Then we can divide both sides by 2, so U equals to 11. What does mean? Is it 11? It's a 12. So it means USA produce 12 million. So USA produce 12 millions motor vehicles. Okay, so U equals to, here is J plus 2, it means what? It means here is U equals to, we can write this one, U means 12, so this 2 we can transfer to left side, so minus 2 equals to J, so 10 equals to J. That means Japan produce 10 million, right, motor. So our question answer we can write in here U and J equal U 12 million and Japan 10 million. Okay, so let's check. United States produce about 2 million more motors vehicles than Japan. So USA 12 million and Japan 10 million. So difference is what? Difference is 2 million. So it's okay. Now two countries produce 22 million. So look, 12 plus 10, it will be 22. So no more today. I am trying to solve four maths in this video. Please subscribe my channel. I am trying to solve these kinds of math continuously. So stay tuned with me. See you next video. Thank you very much for being with me.